Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare Realme Buds N1 and Realme Buds T310. The Realme Buds N1 and the Realme Buds T310 are both affordable true wireless earbuds, but they have distinct features that cater to different preferences. The Realme Buds N1 are designed to comfort and portability, featuring a lightweight design that makes them easy to wear for long periods. They offers decent sound quality with 10mm drivers and come with a long battery life of up to 5 hours on a single charge, extending to about 20 hours with the charging case. However, they lack advanced features like active noise cancellation or ANC. In contrast, the Realme Buds T310 provide improved sound quality with larger 10mm drivers and includes features like game mode, which reduces latency for a better gaming experience. They also have a longer battery life of up to 6 hours per charge and around 24 hours with case. Like the N1, they do not have ANC, but they focus on delivering a reliable audio experience. If you prefer lightweight and comfortable earbuds, the Realme Buds N1 are a great choice. If you're looking for a better sound quality and gaming features, the Realme Buds T310 would be the better option. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next video.